Friends, after graduation, everyone looks for job. The most important part of job searching is preparing yourself for interview. Almost every interview in any career field, healthcare, IT, science, corporate, few questions are same question. Then few other questions you need to face based on your expertise and career. But you will agree that one is the most common question any kind of interview will be started. What is that? Tell me about yourself. So this is the most frequently asked question. Basically, this is the uh, opening question for any kind of interview. So how we should answer this question? This question is extremely important because you need to describe yourself 1 to 2 minutes so that you can give snapshot who you are as a person. There is a multiple approach. Every approach is perfect if you can sell yourself. Let's give me example how I will answer this question. Well, my name is Vibhuti Bhushan Das. My friends and family call me Vibhuti. My colleagues and co-worker call me Dr. Das. I'm originally from Bangladesh where I did my medical graduation. Since I have been migrated to the United States of America, I was been working in different primary care setting in tribal area of the New York City. I'm happy to tell you that I have joined as clinical physician in forensic psychiatry at Office of Mental Health, New York State in November 2019, where I'm working as other attending psychiatrists like heavy caseload, admission, diagnosis, follow-up, treatment, research, writing, two physician certificate, writing evaluation per court order per psychiatric medication or objection, testifying in the court for inmate for admission hearing, detention hearing, commitment hearing, and court order for psychiatric medication over objection hearing. In the meanwhile, I have completed all the steps of USMLE. Now I'm ready to pursue my dream career, residency. In my personal life, I'm happily married. I have 2 daughters. My parents also live with me. In terms of hobbies, I like to do several things. Let me share few things. I like playing music, listening music, traveling, watching movies, motivational speaking, engaging in different non-profit and charitable organization, discovering new people and culture. This is a little bit about me. Is there anything specific you want to know about me? So this is how I answer, but you can answer differently. Important things you need to solve in a short period of time, and you have to give the snapshot who you are as a person. In next video, I'll talk about few other questions um, you might encounter during interview in any field. Stay tuned with me. I'm Dr. Das, clinical physician, forensic psychiatry, Office of Mental Health, New York State, Office to New York.